Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Fine. This is your IGCSE OA level biology teacher, Hamza Fayyaz. Hope you are good. Today we are going to discuss how we have to draw a line graph. This question is very common in ATP paper, and generally this question comprises of 4 marks. As you can see this, I have selected this question from a past paper, and today we will discuss that how we draw a line graph to ensure 4 out of 4 marks in our ATP paper. First of all, let's break up the 4 marks rules. So first, how to get 4 out of 4 in line graph. Question. Okay. Rule number 1 is correct labeling of axis. Means we have to label the axis x and y correctly. So this is 1 mark. Rule number 2, correct drawing of scale on graph. So this is also 1 mark. Third point is correct plotting on the graph. This is 1 mark question. And the last one is correct joining of points with ruled lines. This is also 1 mark question. So 1 mark. So when we correctly label the axis, 1 mark is ensured. When we draw the correct scale, 2nd mark is ensured. When we do the correct plotting, 3rd mark is ensured. And when we correctly join the points, 4 mark is also ensured. Now let's solve this question. So we are given 2 factors. The first factor is concentration of sucrose, and the second factor is percentage of cells that were plasmolysed. Now we have to decide which factor we will take on x-axis and which we will take on y-axis. So the rule says that we will always take independent variable. We will always take independent variable. Independent variable is that factor that we can change. Factor we can change. So we take it always independent variable on x-axis. And the dependent variable is what we measure. Or the effect. What is the effect? So it is always taken on y-axis. Okay. So independent variables that we can change, we will take on x-axis of the graph, and variables that we measure, the dependent variables we take on y-axis. So now now let's look which is the independent variable and which is the dependent variable. Now concentration of sucrose solution, this is independent variable. Why? Because we can increase the concentration of sucrose solution, we can decrease the concentration of sucrose solution. Similarly, if there would have been time, it would also be independent variable because we can increase the time or so here we will take the example of concentration. So this is independent variable and the percentage of the cells that were plasmolyzed. It is the effect. It is what we will measure. So we will take it on y-axis. जनरली स्टूडेंट्स वैसे मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, जो वाला फैक्टर लेफ्ट साइड पर आता है ना, लेफ्ट साइड पर टेबल में जनरली वो इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल ही होता है और हम उसको एक्स एक्सिस पे ही लेते हैं. एटीपी के पेपर में मोस्टली यही होता है. और जो वाला फैक्टर राइट साइड के ऊपर होता है वो हमारा डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल होता है और उसको हम वाई एक्सिस पे ही लेते हैं. अक्सर यही होता है. तो जो फैक्टर एक्स एक्सिस पे आएगा, जो लेफ्ट साइड पे आता है, दैट इज इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल एंड वी टेक इट ऑन एक्स एक्सिस. राइट साइड पे आता है दैट इज जनरली डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल एंड वी टेक इट ऑन वाई एक्सिस. लेकिन फिर भी हम फर्दर क्रॉस चेक कर लेते हैं. रूल इज इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल that we can change on x-axis and dependent variable that is the effect or that we have to measure is taken on y-axis. Now let's make the scale. Concentration of sucrose solution, I will write here full. So concentration of concentration of sucrose solution per mole per dm. So we have taken it on x-axis and on y-axis we will take percentage of cells, percentage of cells that were plasmolized. Okay, so अब हमारा एक नंबर पक्का हो गया because we have selected the correct axis. Now we have to select the correct scale. We have to draw the correct scale. Okay, concentration we can say 0.0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. So let's zoom in. The rule says that scale must cover more than half the length of graph. Scale must cover more than half the length of graph. So 0.0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. यहाँ पर from here we will take 0.0. Since I am using tab, so you can say that the pen can move, but you must be 100% accurate with your pencil. So now let's take the distance of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So no, let's take the distance of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we will take 0.2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we will take 0.4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we will take 0.6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we will take 0.8. So this is correct scale, and we can also add 0.10. So now you can see that we have taken all the values of the scale and it is covering more than half of our graph. Okay, so we can also add 0.10, no problem. And even if we do not, we can, let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 0.10. So our value is covering till 0.8, that is the value is covering more than half the graph. So now let's take, it is between 0 to 100. Percentage plasmolized, so here we take 0 and then for 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we can take 20. And then for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we can take 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we can take 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we can take 80. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we can take 100. So now this scale is also covering all the values of percentage of cells that were plasmolized, and we have equal distance. Equal distance between points is compulsory. For example, here I have taken a distance of 10 lines in all. Okay, so you can choose other also. Now so now 2 marks पक्के हो गए. First labeling is confirmed, then second drawing of the scale is confirmed. Now let's plot. Now we have to 0.0 is 0, so here is 0 again. From the tab might be slightly changes will come, but the candidates must be 100% accurate. 0.2 is with 5. Okay, so we took the distance of 10. So 5 lines would be 10, and 2.5 lines would be 5. So if we 2.5 lines, yes, approximately. This is 5, 10. 0.4 is 18. This is 0.4. It will be around here. Yes, exact on the line. This is you will do it accurately with the pencil. 0.4 is 18. Sorry, 0.4 is 18. Now 0.6 is 75. 0.6 is 75. So 75 would be around 60 and 80. 70 will be on 10 lines. So you will do it with the help of ruler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So around here it would be 75, and 0.8 is 100. So 0.8 exactly is 100. Okay. So important point. Candidates are recommended to use ruler for 100% exact plotting of points between x-axis and y. And then the next rule is always points are join with the ruled. Points are always joined with the ruled line. Now we will take a ruler, we will check if there is, yes, this is line. So from here to here, we will make a line with a ruler. I think it is not making, we have to move it like this it is. But you will always use with the ruler. I will try to make a straight line. So this is tab. So line थोड़ी सी हिल गई, but you will ensure that you will draw the axis for 0.0 first. Then this value, and these all must be drawn with the help of a ruler. Then this line and this. So this is our ruled line that the students will draw with the help of ruler. So now we have completed the 4 points, and this is the end of our line graph. So best wishes for your exam. Take care of yourself. This is Hamza Fayyaz, your biology teacher. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.